Hi guys, Lindsay and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will be talking about this software by iMyPhone. This one is itransor and this one is for WhatsApp. The key points about this software is that you can back up your WhatsApp on your computer using this software, and you can restore your WhatsApp at any time as well. You can back up all of your chat data, pictures, videos and more. Guys, you can transfer from Android to iOS and from iOS to Android. Guys, there are a lot of different key points about this software. It can be very helpful if you want to take your chat message and export to PDF, HTML. Guys, we are going to look into this software, and also there will be giveaways of 3 licenses here for 3 persons. I'll be telling you most of what we can do, and I will be reviewing this software in full effect. So let's get into it. So guys, this is the interface for the software, and we can transfer WhatsApp between devices. So you connect 2 devices to your computer and you can switch the WhatsApp from one source to another. Also, you can back up your WhatsApp on the device. You can also restore and export WhatsApp back up. And this is quite useful, especially for business persons who want to back up their WhatsApp and who will also like to export their WhatsApp into different formats like PDF. Also, you can back up your contacts, also pictures and like media that you may have on your WhatsApp as well. So what you will need to do, you will need to head over to your settings. You will need to enable developer options, and you will need to enable USB debugging first. Then when you finish doing that, you want to ensure that all your drivers are installed for your mobile devices as well. You connect your device. When your device is connected, it will load up. As you can see, I just connected a Galaxy A12, and as you can see here, it's connecting. They should take a few seconds to connect. As you notice, we can back up the device right away, so we can go ahead and do so. Here you will need to choose which one of the WhatsApp messenger you want to back up. For this video we are going to choose the WhatsApp messenger here, and we are going to continue. So the software is now accessing the WhatsApp messenger on our device. What we need to do here, we need to go into settings, app. You want to go to WhatsApp, permissions, and then you ensure that storage is selected. Most of the time these settings are always on, especially if you send and receive photos. So you click done, and it will continue to access the WhatsApp messenger. So as you can see here, it actually finishing accessing the WhatsApp messenger on our device, and also you can see that the backup was successful. So what you need to do here, you need to click done, right? And we just backed up our WhatsApp. So if we want to restore it, we can go here, and you should see that, as you can see, the backup is listed here. As you can see, we have the WhatsApp messenger here, and we also have 150 megabytes of data that we were able to back up. This is how you can back up your device. You need to ensure that those settings are enabled. We can also select which one we want to use, and we can also restore this to device as well if we so desire. We can also export this to our computer as well. So if we use this option, we can export this to our computer. So this software is quite useful, guys. There's a lot of important features here, especially if you have a lot on your WhatsApp and you want to switch it over to another device, it can be done. Also, if you want to store your own WhatsApp backup for future use, especially if you run a company or a small business and you like to back up your chat messages and you'd like to store these on your computer, this is the best way of doing it. So this will actually take a few minutes to export to our computer. So guys, you can actually see here that we have audios, contacts, videos, photos, and these are all from WhatsApp, guys. So this is how you can actually back up your WhatsApp on your computer, and these are the features of the software. You can also transfer iOS to Android, as I stated before. And a key point that I really want you to know is that you want to make sure that you take off Google Backup and you back up to storage. So for you to do this, you will have to do this inside WhatsApp. You want to take off the Google Backup and you want to select the storage device on your phone. So I hope that this was helpful. I hope that this one was useful to you, and I hope that you get the solution for your WhatsApp backing up and restore. Do like, share and subscribe.